Hi, I'm Alex Paulton. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today I've got a couple of loaners from Bruno Söhnle, their new Turin Automatic, which is a go anywhere, do anything, casual to suit wear kind of watch that you see around quite a lot lately. These are quite sharp. They come in multiple colors, and they were nice enough to send me 2 of them. So let's take a close-up look at these and find out a little bit more about the watch. So here are the 2 of the new Turin Automatics from Bruno Söhnle. This watch is also available in white and light green, kind of like a lime green. And you can really tell that they're shooting for a go anywhere, do anything watch. It's 10 bar, 100 meters water resistant, has screw down crown, and has a very clean look. The outer chapter ring, the rehaut, is almost a sector kind of presentation, harkening back kind of like almost to a pole router look, but you can tell they're really shooting for a general look that lets you wear it with a lot of different things. You know, the gray, I like the fact that they have some different contrasting patterns. The gray is dark on the outside chapter ring, and the green is white. The white and the bright green also have some interesting contrast, but you can tell here they're really shooting for that go anywhere, do anything dynamic. It does have a Jubilee style bracelet, and it very prominently says water resistant on the face. It's 100 meters water resistant, and it does have very clean design. You can tell that they're trying to make it as versatile a watch when it comes to wearing as humanly possible. There's no big dial treatment, no starburst. It's just nice clean colors, nice fresh presentation, and they give you a decent watch for the money. Now, screw down crown, so you can get 100 meters water resistance today with just a regular pull-out crown, but it's a nice touch to have a screw down crown. And the metal bracelet does work nicely. It's a 20 millimeter lug width, so you can put just about anything on it. The watch is 39.5 millimeters in diameter, which is a great size for a lot of people, and it's 13.5 millimeters. I'm sorry, no, I'm wrong. It's 11.8 thick. So it's 11.8 thick, 39.5 wide, which is a good set of dimensions for a go anywhere, do anything piece, because it'll fit most wrists and it'll go with most design, fashion style, whatever you want to go with. You can throw a leather strap on it or NATO strap on it. At 20 millimeters, you can do a lot with it. My only concern for something like this would be there's a lot of competition in this category, like everything from the Tissot Gentleman to the there are a bunch of watches all the way up to the Datejust, if you look at it that way. So, it's in good company, but it does have a lot of nice features for a piece. I'm just going to pop this open so we can look at the back more easily. The movement inside is a Sellita 200. So they did put a good movement in it, even though it's not theirs. But then again, you're not going to get in-house at this price unless you're going with a large manufacturer that has the capacity. Bruno Söhnle has only been around for a decade or so, and they're really trying to make some value-added pieces for the marketplace. We reviewed some of their luxury quartz pieces that they've got quartz with some really nice finishing and refinement on it. And this is their one of their mechanical entries. Good-looking piece, well-decorated, and a reasonable value to boot. Let's throw one of these on the wrist. Since I already opened this one up, we'll put this to the side and we'll grab The gray one, I already resized both of these for my wrist so that we can do a nice little presentation, because it is a good looking watch that has a lot of value in it, with a good mechanical movement, screw down crown, nice metal bracelet. The folding clasp is solidly machined. It does have branding on the buckle. It's a nice looking watch in that sense. Good general, casual suit watch is another way to put it. Wristwatch check, I'm wearing my Omega Globemaster annual calendar, which is another great go anywhere, do anything piece. But this is an order of magnitude more expensive. But then again, this has got a lot more going on with it because of its annual calendar mechanical movement, coaxial escapement, and tungsten carbide bezel. There's a lot going on here. At the lower price point, you're getting a lot with this one. Let's throw it on the wrist. It has good wrist presence. It looks nice, fits well. On my 8.5-inch wrist, it comes across very nicely. All in all, a good looking watch. So let's turn the camera around and close out the episode. So that was the Bruno Söhnle Turin Automatic. A really nice go anywhere, do anything piece, facing a lot of competition in the marketplace, but they're punching quite strongly themselves. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Appreciate it. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks.